Hi, this is Felicia from the Fresh from Felicia show, and today we're going to make a mug using the Cricut mug press. So in Design Space, we're going to go up into Projects and we're going to search for Mug Press. And you'll find the mug design set up, and in there you can select the size mug that you want to use, as well as the edges that you want to apply. In our case, we chose the 15-ounce mug with the wavy edges. Then we're going to go under Images and we're going to select, in our case, a cupcake, because it's a birthday mug. We find the image we want, we insert it into Design Space and align it and size it to the way we'd like to see it on the design. And then we're going to add some text and say Happy Birthday Page. And just using the text tool on the left. And once we've got that there, we can choose the font of our choice by clicking on the font drop down and scrolling through and finding the font you'd like. Drag it onto the canvas and place it where you'd like it, and go under Alignment and choose Align Center. And you can move the image, move the text, and align them together in the way you'd like to see them. If you click on one and you click on the other together, you can go up under Alignment and you can align them horizontally or vertically, whichever way you're trying to do your design. From there, we're going to slice the images with the background. And to do that, you're going to take one of the images first. So we'll take the cupcake. We'll grab that with the background image, and with both of those selected, go to the bottom and select Slice. It then gives you the ability to turn off the layers that you don't need anymore, and you'll be able to see that the white is now showing through the blue. That means that those pieces are no longer going to be part of the design, and you'll see the cup through that part. We're going to go ahead and save our project in the folder, or collection as they call them here now, of your choice. And then we're going to go ahead and make our mug. So at the top, I'm going to use my Maker 3, so I'm going to choose that and then click Make It. And from there, it's going to pop up because I did choose the Maker 3, and I'm going to cut on matte. Select that, and you can see I've made a mistake. I didn't want these guides to actually show or cut, so I'm going to cancel that, go back to the right-hand side and hide that layer, and then go back and make it again. From there, you can also see, click on matte, but I did not attach the two layers together, so they're going to cut separately, and that's not what I wanted. So I'm going to cancel that, go back to the canvas, select both layers. At the bottom, click Attach, then go make it again. Now I can see that I have it set up the way that I want after I click on matte. It's set up the way I want. I'm good to go. So now I'm going to go to the bottom right, click Continue. It's going to Bluetooth connect to my Maker, and then give me the option to see all the materials that I want to use to cut. In my case, I want to use infusible ink. So I'm going to click on the Browse All Materials link in the top right and type in infusible ink. When I click Enter or the search button, I can then select the material I want, click Done. And there's a key thing here. You need to make sure that you mirror your image when you're using text. So turn the mirror image on, and then at the top it tells you to make sure that it is turned on when you're using infusible ink, and make sure that on the mat your material is ink side up. From there, you go to your Maker and you cut. This has already been cut on the Cricut Maker 3, and we're peeling off the unneeded pieces of the material. You can notice that the material is faded looking here as I'm weeding out the pieces that aren't necessary for the design. Don't worry about the faded look. It's going to pop when the material is heated within the mug press. So here is a 15-ounce Cricut mug made specifically for the mug press. You can get it in, I believe, 11 ounces or 15 ounces. And we're just going to peel up our design from our mat, and then we're going to carefully wrap it around the mug, centering it, and then tucking in the sticky pieces on the end, in between the handles, and kind of pressing them down good. If you've got enough material and it's sticky enough, you won't need a piece of heat transfer tape. Make sure it's on there really good. Have your mug press already heated up, and gently slide in that mug. Be careful not to touch the green part because it is extremely hot. Push down the lever with a little bit of force, and you'll see that the machine is green, meaning that it is ready to go, and it takes about 4 or 5 minutes for it to actually process. And you'll see those lights go all the way white when the mug press is done. It beeps at you. Carefully remove the mug from the mug press and let it sit and cool down for a few minutes. It is extremely hot. Then carefully remove the heat transfer material, and voila, you have a mug, and you can tell that the color has popped, and it makes a great gift for anybody. This one happens to be for my daughter's birthday.